A very good morning to you, all of my friends all over the world, and welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. And today I'm come up with very easy, simple Goan Coconut Chutney. It is said Goan Coconut Chutney because in many years ago, whenever we used to go for any party or something, then we used to get this coconut sandwich, coconut chutney sandwich, green coconut sandwich. So for that you need, for green you need 1 cup or 1 bunch of coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves, 2 green chilies, so 2 green chilies. Then you need some around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, around 10 garlic cloves I have taken, but you can take 2 or 3 cloves. I love the cloves flavor, garlic cloves flavor in my food, so I love garlic. So this is my this 10. Then I've taken a pinch of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds. This is half coconut. You can use designated coconut too. So this is half coconut. Then 2 green chilies. I've taken 1 teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Then I've taken this tamarind ball and I've soaked it for a while. Now if you don't want to use this sugar, then it's optional, don't use, but you can use jaggery also if you want that sweety tangy flavor. So that's all. So now we have to grind this, and after grinding we will get Goan green chutney. Okay, and then after that I will show you how we used to make sandwich out of this green chutney, coconut green chutney. And stay tuned, I will be showing you other types of sandwiches too, like what you can make use of this Goan green chutney. I'm specifying it Goan green chutney because earlier it was like this only, like then as the this went by, like different parts of different countries and different cities and different everywhere, there are different types of chutneys, white chutneys and this chutneys. But this is what we had in our childhood, I had in my childhood actually. So let's grind this into a fine paste, add little water, that's it. And I'll be using little bit of lime juice also, so half teaspoon of lime juice. So let's add this. This mixer is a little bit smaller, so I will have to make in parts, but you can put it all together. This is like a small ball, but I soaked it so it gets grinded properly. And our salt and sugar also will go in this. And I'll put water in this and grind this. So adding little bit of water in this. So now here is my chutney is ready. That is green, Goan green coconut chutney. So it's ready. I will be using little bit of lime juice for this, very little, like a tinge of this, to give an extra flavor to this. So now I can keep this in container, and I have used a little bit of lime juice so that it will remain for a little bit longer. And I can use it to make different types of sandwiches, or you can just eat it with plain rice. Like my grandmother used to make plain boiled rice, and then she used to put this chutney and a boiled egg. And even for picnic and all, we used to take this chutney, some boiled rice or bread, and go out for picnic with boiled eggs. So this is Goan chutney. Now I will show you one sandwich out of it, how to make. So for that you need sliced bread and butter. So take out the sides of the sliced bread, and then we'll apply nicely butter to this. So apply butter, and it has to be melted butter. So this is for vegetarian people who don't eat any meat or something, and they want something simple lunch, quick lunch. Then this is the best, even for tiffin also. So I have applied this, and now I will put this and spread this nicely. Then I will apply to this also butter. Apply butter properly for this, because that gives an extra taste. Again I will put a chutney on this. Spread it nicely. Our sandwich is ready, and we cut it nicely into half. So either you can cut this way, and eat it directly, or you can cut it in a square. So this is sandwich is ready to go in this. So hope you will enjoy this breakfast, and do let me know. So I will be coming up with few more sandwiches, so please be tuned to this. Thank you so much, and enjoy your breakfast. Thank you.